Can you hold my...
Did you have a... Ooh, look at this. We're in, what is this called? Nature Center. Mina Anthony Nature Center. Yeah. Welcome to the Nature Center. Wellesley State Park, right?
Wellesley Island. Wellesley Island State Park.
We're inside Wellesley State Park. So, and the campground is over there?
Yep. The map behind me is actually just the nature preserve. If you were to keep driving up that main road, there's 7 different campgrounds, I believe.
How many? 70? So that was the campground that we came before, right? Do you have a map or something?
I do, yes. So the people who made the map just drew us as this little box here.
Oh.
If you were to keep coming up here, there's campgrounds. This way, these are the cottages, and then there's land where you can park your RV, and then it continues all the way up here. So there's a beach and a marina.
Oh, there's also a campground right there?
All of this. So all of these
Oh,
numbers.
so you can go actually in front of the lake.
Yes. Yep.
Oh, nice.
And it's a popular spot. It books up, I believe, like even a year in
I
advance.
know, a year. Yeah. I was trying to get a campsite here for today. For this weekend, it was already not.
Oh,
There
I'm
was
sure.
nothing.
Yeah.
So I guess, yeah, I have to do it next year. Yeah. Yeah. So can I get that mark too?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I'm gonna book it for next year. Like a whole family reunion here.
Yeah, that's so sweet.
There's a website?
Yeah, there's a
Okay,
website.
so I'm gonna go pee. It should be
I'm gonna
near
go
the
pee.
water.
Yeah, I'm gonna go next to the lake. Nice. It's okay, I'm gonna put music. This is a very nice trail. Look! Look, Milo, it's a very nice trail, Milo.
Mas doon pa sa bato.
Wow, it's so pretty.
Yung mga overgrowth.
Sa Henderson yung maganda, Jopet.
Kaya na mahirap maglakad yung may overgrowth na roots.
Yes, that's why you have to pay attention.
Yung mga roots kasi ma-stab ka dyan.
Glenn, mas magkuhan ka, mahulog.
That's
Ma-stab ka
okay.
dyan. Pag tatanga-tanga ka, laglag ka dyan.
That's okay. It's so pretty. It's a pretty hike.
At tatapilo ka dyan sa mga...
Wow, look at that. It's really a nice hike.
Pero ina-hiking ni Mikey, sinubukan ko. 10 feet lang, hindi ko na kaya. Ang daming bato. Ang lalaking mga bato. We're hiking on a nature trail at the Wellesley State Park in Watertown, New York.
Yeah, exactly. Look. See?
Hiking in class.
Hiking with class. We're in what is that? Lake. Lake?
No, that's the river. St.
Oh,
Lawrence
river?
River.
St. Lawrence River.
Nature trail surrounded by water, St. Lawrence River.
It's okay na hindi number 1 para walang pumunta.
Okay, rest break from hiking. We're at the Wellesley Island State Park in the Thousand Islands next to Watertown, New York.
So pretty. Look at this.
This is the St. Lawrence River.
Yep. It's a good thing I have a stick. It's way all rocks. We're going all the way to the top. Oh my God, look at that. It's so beautiful. Let's do it. Go ahead. Nice. Oh God, look at this. my god. Oh, it's all worth
The
it.
Lake of Isles.
Huh?
Lake of Isles ang tawag.
Wow. This is so nice. Lake of Isles?
Yes, this is one.
Wow. Look. Oh God, it's so pretty. It is very pretty. We put our own decorations.